Python simple Salesforce select all fields. I'm using Python simple Salesforce to query data via soql. I know that select is not supported in soql syntax, so I wanted to create a Python script to gather a string list of all fields to insert into the select statement. Below is how I am describing the account object.
How should I extract the field names into a string list from the ordered dictionary shown below? I've extended your code to include the solution. I realized the question was posted a while ago, just wanted to have a complete solution.
This Python library describe call can be seen here. This URL. If I was you, I would track back on how they got the ordered dictionary in the first place. You can see from this line. This URL. That they use the base URL from here. This URL. Having that you can make the same call in your workbench. This URL. With a simple Google search you can then find some useful examples on how to traverse the dictionary. Here are a few. How to do this: Python dictionary traverse and search. Loop through all nested dictionary values. Walking/iterating over a nested dictionary of arbitrary depth. The dictionary represents a directory tree. As long as you know what you are looking for, traversing a dictionary should be rather easy. Word of warning, from my experience, querying all the fields is great for enterprise frameworks like Flib, however some objects are not designed to have all fields in one soql query. Refer to this page for soql limits. This URL. Hope this helps.